All right. Good morning. So it looks like we have news at 5:30. We have some pretty big supply zones on NQ and ES. And then on gold, we got a pretty big demand zone. All right, let's look at this on the 15-minute. It's good on the 15-minute and the 1 hour. So I'll keep an eye on that. Let's look at NQ on the 15-minute. ES on the 15-minute. Same thing. All right, and these are valid because actually let's look at the 1 hour real quick. Yep. Yeah, so previous lows are being broken by this big, huge push. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low. Same thing on ES. Lower highs and lower lows. So we're breaking structure to the downside. It's exactly what we want to see. Oh, we even have gap right here. Potentially could get a reaction right here. But I feel like this zone, the one that's higher, is more valid to take because this is when the big push first happened of these two zones. And then similar thing on gold. We're breaking these highs to the upside. Higher high, higher low, higher high. And then it'll probably pull back and make another higher high. 15-minute, same thing. Higher high, higher low, higher high. This high broke all these highs, even this major high right here. Yeah. But all setups look really good. It's exactly what you want to see. And like always, now we just wait. You have news in 10 minutes, so we'll probably wait till after news to enter a trade. We have some news. The ES is starting to have its first zone. Still watch our gas, but not anything until after news hits. Gold's pushing down my as well. All three charts are good there now. News is about to hit. Another small reaction. I could potentially take the EMA breakout like how I mentioned yesterday. Because I would just be waiting for it to pull back up to the zone anyways. I've never done that before, so I'm not sure if I feel confident enough taking that or trying to take it. I think I would consider it if it just pushes past this zone, either NQ or ES, because that would also mean it would break this 13 EMA and has this huge gap to fill. So if it passes through here, I think there's a good chance I can get out, a little bit, maybe not this whole move, because this is a pretty big move. Oh, it's a huge move. But I could definitely get some. Wow, that's a gigantic move. 665 ticks on NQ and 158 ticks on ES. So, and even like a small move on this is, I would only need like very small move, like not even 100 ticks, and that's like this is 100 ticks right here. That's tiny. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, the Heikinashi candlesticks, we did get a doji candle. This neck candle forming right now doesn't have a bottom wick, so that's a good sign that it's going to keep going up. We'll keep an eye on that. Gold was pushing down a little bit. Now it's kind of pushing up. So I'm still eyeing this, but it looks like it's showing strength to keep pushing up. It may not come back to my zone, but like I said, we'll keep an eye on it. On gold, we have Heikinashi have like 4 or 5 doji candles in a row. So it may push back down. See. Also eyeing on ES that we did tap the zone. This may be a small pullback to push back down. Although 2 candles did close in the zone, so not A++ setup, but it looks like we're going to get a push. Fibonacci candlesticks still look good. We don't have any bottom wicks on these candles that are forming right now. All right, so yeah, gold is still pushing up. It did leave another demand zone right here. So that is something else I can target. Broke the high, has a fair value gap, still pushing up. So I could target a pullback to that zone if it does. We'll see what happens. A lot of clean setups today so far. If this pushes up, I'm thinking of if it does break the zone, it does break 13 EMA, I will get in once it breaks this candle, either NQ or ES. We'll see. And I'm not sure if I want to do 2 contracts now that I'm at 51K on my account, or if I just want to do 1 contract still. Maybe I'll just do 1 contract, because if I do enter on this kind of trade, it's the first time I'm ever doing this EMA breakout. So maybe have a lower risk for the time being. If it keeps pushing down, I might enter right here at the break of this blue candle. It's still a really big move. Wow. Color has flipped on the Kaikanashi candlesticks. A lot of indecision. Yeah, good thing I did not enter on the break of this candle. It's not showing too much strength to push back down. I would enter on the break of this one just for extra confirmation that it's most likely going back down, and now it's already flipping bullish again. NQ and ES are both spiking up a little bit. Gold looks like it's reversing back to my zone, so I'm see if we can get in there, or whatever reaction we get first, we'll see what we can get in. Okay, now they're spiking down, both of them, pretty heavily. All right. So we got that big push on NQ and ES, and the Heikin candlesticks. We got a couple doji candles, and now the color is changing to bearish. So it could be just a small pullback and to go back down. But there's still a lot of like going up, going down, going up, going down. You have a spike and then it goes back the other way. So I'm not sure what's going to happen. Gold is slowing down on that push up. It looks like it may pull back. And the Heikin candlestick is still showing strength. No bottom wicks on these last few candles. So hmm. Okay, so on NQ, it looks like we are at a support level on the 1 hour. Had a big push up at this level. And on the 5 minute, it broke, passed through it, came back up and retested, has been retesting this level, and no candles have closed above it. So this could be like a break and retest, but it's been retesting it for a while. This choppiness is a little concerning. So that's why I'm not entering on the break of any of these candles. I'm waiting for it to push past this big blue candle, because then I'll for sure know it might go back down. Let's look on the 15 minute. And the 1 hour. Yeah, we'll just keep an eye on it. Yeah, it looks like gold is about to tap our zone. See if it holds at this first one or if it's going to push past it and go to the bottom zone. All right, gold has tapped the zone. See how it reacts. Nice rejection already. Let's see. It's a pretty big move. It's about 100 ticks, 99 ticks. It's a lot of money to risk. So let's see. Where's 60 ticks at? Probably won't go for the full 90 or 100, 99, whatever. But we just got to see how this candle closes. Okay, so it didn't close in the zone. It's good. Next candle's coming back down.
Let's see if we can get a push. Tap the zone again. It's rejecting. Nice. Nice push. Breaks this candle, I'm gonna get in. For sure. I'm gonna put it underneath this candle. It'd be nice if we can get this whole move, but don't need that much. I don't need that much money. Put a buy limit here.
Order submitted.
Yep. Come on. Beautiful push. And Q and E are still not doing much. There we go. Let's see if this candle can get me filled. Not the next one. There we go. You're right there, dude. Just underneath that order. Next candle should do it. Yep.
Order filled.
There we go. Let's try to get 90. We got to manage this trade very carefully. Ooh. Wow, it's moving really fast. Wow. Never seen gold move that fast. You know what? We're not going to get 90. We're not going to go for 90. Don't be greedy. Base hit. That's all you need. Oh, dude, there's no way this doesn't hit. Whoever stops to break even. Oh, dude, you're right there. Oh, come on. I was right there. No way. No. It was right there, dude. God, do I close it? Yeah, close
Order
it.
filled.
Oh, it was right there. Fuck, dude. I'm up $30. It was right there. I swear to God, it's gonna go back up. Fuck. I should have watched it on the Heikinashi. God damn it, dude. Oh. God damn it, dude. Mm. I should have put the stop loss underneath this candle body and then just waited. Oh. God, it's right there, man. It's literally right there. Oh my God. It's so frustrating. It's literally right there. That's so annoying. Well, at least we didn't lose money. Maybe we can get something right here on ES or NQ. Well, all a whole lot of waiting for a whole lot of nothing. Don't want to be in this messy price action anyways on NQ and ES. I would wait for more trades on gold because it looks like it's bouncing off support right now or it's pushing down to my demand zone, but I gotta get ready for work. I'm still pissed about that freaking gold trade, how it was literally a tick away from hitting TP. Should have been up $600, but at least we're not in the red. We're up $30, basically break even. So, but we're still profitable on the week, so it's good. It's not. It's all right. All right.